Hi everyone, welcome in our channel. Today I'm going to show you a common fault in BMW with ABS and DSC systems. Everything will be shown on BMW 3 Series, E92, but same problems can occur in other BMW models like 1 Series, 5 Series and X Series. First time I had this problem while driving on highway at 120 km per hour, DSC system started flashing. It seems like the car slipped. ECU started to reduce the power. After a while I couldn't exceed over 120 km per hour. DSC and ABS light appear on permanently. After that situation I plugged OBD scanner to car to check ABS for any faults, but everything was fine, no fault codes. Over the time same situation happened with lower speed and no fault codes again. So I took the scanner for the test drive. I set it up for all wheel speed. When I reached the speed that caused the ABS light on, one of the wheels showed completely different speed. Great! Problem with just one wheel. It was rear right wheel. It's time to do the job. Secure the car to prevent movement, loosen wheel bolts, raise the car, secure against fall using axle stand. We need to check what happened with the ABS speed sensor. It's behind brake disc dust cover, inside rear wheel hub carrier. ABS sensor is keeping on by one bolt with Allen key head. Unscrew the bolt and remove sensor. On my one, there are many deep scratches. Check the ABS ring on CV joint. Look, it's got shiny scratches, surface got corroded. And raised up the ring causing touch with the ABS sensor. Distance between sensor and ring, it's not the same on the whole diameter. It caused the problem. Time to take out the drive shaft from the car. First, loosen central nut. My one was completely stuck, so I use hammer. I leave nut on CV joint end to prevent thread damage. Then unscrew 6 bolt holding drive shaft to the central differential. Set aside drive shaft and release end from the wheel hub. Drive shaft is on the table, check this out. CV joint surface is completely rusted. ABS ring needs to be replaced. ABS ring is press fitted, but it's quite flexible. Using hammer and screwdriver you can easily take it off. Clear the surface from rust. I also painted to prevent corrosion. Type in eBay ABS ring and just match into your car model. Time to install the ring. Try to keep the same mounting position. After that you can install drive shaft in car. It's worth to clear CV joints, splines and put some grease on it. Tie the drive shaft to the differential, secure central nut and put on wheel back.